Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer title insurance requests with Old Republic detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Old Republic Title Insurance website. Locate the Title Insurance Requests section on the home page. Click on the link that directs you to the title insurance request form. Fill out the form with the required information about the property. Provide details about the buyer and seller involved in the transaction. Include any relevant information regarding the loan or financing, if applicable. Double-check all entries for accuracy before submission. Once you have verified the information, submit the form. You will receive a confirmation email indicating that your request has been received. If necessary, follow up with the customer service team for any additional information. Ensure all communication includes your confirmation number for reference. Wait for the processing of your request to be completed. Once processing is done, you will receive another email with the title insurance documents. Review the documents carefully to ensure they are correct. If there are any discrepancies, contact Old Republic immediately. Keep a copy of all documents for your records. Finally, ensure that copies are shared with all relevant parties involved in the transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step